Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to grant others access to your account. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so once you have logged into your Google account and then went to mail.google.com to access your Gmail, click on the settings icon to access all settings and then go to accounts and import. Once you scroll down a little bit, you can see this grant access to your account where you can allow others to read and send mail on your behalf. Once you add another account, you can also customize if the conversation will be marked as read when opened by others, or when the sender information will show this address and the person who sent it. So for example, let's try it. I'll be using one of my account and then so irgfiend@gmail.com, then click next step, and then as you can see, they are asking if are you sure, because you are about to grant the email access to your mail and you will be able to revoke this later, which is you can remove it later. So let's just send email to grant access, and a confirmation request has been sent to that email. So let's go here. This is the other email that I'm talking about, and as you can see, the Gmail team has sent me an email. Ira has granted you access to your Gmail account. The recipient can either accept or deny. So to accept this request, please click the link below, and to reject this request, please click the link below. So let's accept this request and click confirm. So as you can see, it may take up to 30 minutes for the verification to complete, and then you can view and send messages on behalf of my email. Okay, here you can see that you have granted access to your account too, and this notice will end in 7 days. So you can either review settings and learn more about it. So that's it on how you can grant access to another email on your own email. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!